should have sat in the back seat.
Now to visit
right
an old
you.
place.
Go visit, sit behind me in the back seat.
Right now. Do I have to buckle up still?
Yeah.
Hang on.
You can even see some at the top.
Hello. We're visiting an old place. My favorite place. Air conditioner heaven, I call it. There's some pretty whacked up installs. There's some all the way on top on the roof too. They are ICP and carrier and train. Then there's the 3-phase, that's old Goodman. Them all up there look to be like carrier. There's a pane. I don't know what that is, refrigerator component. Then it's truck in the way. And there is an old York and a newer ICP. Then there is a Temp Star 12, I think it is. Then there's some more carriers. Then there's really beat up one down there. ICP, yeah, that's Temp Star 12. I think. A couple of carriers up there. Temp Star again. Carrier again. New American Standard. What is that? Allegiance. I couldn't tell. And an older train, another beat up ICP. And then there's yet more. Oh. The air handlers are of course up in the attic. I think it's gas furnaces in this case. A couple more beat up ICPs. Temp Stars back here. A couple of refrigerator components. Then there's a train, Voyager. I mean Odyssey. Door. And that there is a ICP commercial. 3-phase. Then there's a Goodman, an ICP Temp Star commercial, and another Temp Star commercial. And then there's one that's really froze up. That's actually a heat pump. And an ICP commercial as well. And can I get back in front now?
No.
Yes, I want to get back in front. One last look. Out. Oh no, that one wasn't froze up. Or was it? No, that's a straight cool unit. Out.